As ZIMPapers, we are licensed to service the public in terms of their concerns, what keeps them awake at night. And one of the key issues that has emerged over the last couple of years is the carnage on our roads, the disorder on our roads, that we believe as a media company we need to start taking action. Our newspapers, particularly, that have reached throughout the country, they have to be leading this process that will allow us to bring home the message that we need to be responsible on the roads. We need to start cautioning our drivers that they are causing the loss of lives among the population of Zimbabwe. Roads have become unsafe, and as a media company, we want to be at the forefront of this campaign. And this conference that we are holding with different stakeholders is to ensure that we begin to talk about these things, not just in our newspapers, but also in a conference, on an event, that we can provide a platform that we can have these serious conversations and begin to bring change in our nation and on our roads. This conference is for everybody. We are all road users, whether we are pedestrians, whether we are riding on cycles, whether we are driving cars or we are passengers in a combi. We are all being affected. Every time wherever you drive, you see this disorder. So it affects all of us. Sometimes we get home late because of congestion, because there is no more discipline. So it affects all of us. So we should come, we should listen, and we all need to play our part.